Howdy, howdy. This is your favorite teacher, Mr. Deshawn. We're going to learn how to make a pie chart out of this data here. Okay, so first off, you're going to go down here and you are going to press Insert Chart. Okay, and we're going to go pie this time. All right, so that should get there and it'll kind of look like this. No worries for now. All right, first thing we need to do after that, we need to copy this chart. Okay, so go ahead and highlight all of that. Press Control Copy or Command Copy if you are on a Mac. And then we will get to make our nice little presentation here. Okay, so go ahead and click right on the upper right hand side and hit Open Source. Okay, that will change our sheet into a Google Sheet. Alright, and we'll kind of wait for that to start loading. Alright, first off, I need to get rid of all of this data because that is not what I want. So I'm just going to highlight that stuff, hit delete, and we got that. Alright, now I'm just going to go to Paste and get my other chart from that other area. Okay, perfect. Alright, and I'm going to move this thing over just because it's kind of blocking that last little area. Okay, so cool. So I have my whole chart here, and I just pasted it from my docs. All right, first thing we need to do is we need to add up these numbers. Okay, it's really easy in Google Sheets to do this. All you have to do is press equals. Okay, that lets the computer know it's a formula and that you want it to do something. Okay, so don't forget to press equals. Then I'm going to write sum. All right, perfect. Okay, I can either click that or I can just write SUM and then a parentheses there. And then I'm going to click the first number I want to add and drag it down to the last number I want to add. Don't forget to close your parentheses. Make your math teachers nice and proud of you. Okay, so that will add that up. That one was easy. That's 6. All right, the other one, you can press it equals again and SUM parentheses. Alright, do the same process. Click the first number you want to add and then drag it down to the next one. Okay, close parentheses. You should get 2030. Alright, so that's how you can add certain things up. Okay, the next part is I want to make my actual pie chart. So I'm going to get rid of that. Don't worry if it says column 2 must be numeric. I'm just going to get rid of that because I don't need that negativity in my life. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to make a pie chart for the phase. Okay, these are my labels for my graph. And we also need to do time, which is over here. Okay, sometimes, oh my gosh, I am highlighting my middle section here. I don't want to do that. I only want column A and I only want column C here. Alright, so that's how I'm going to do it is I'm going to drag down from A2 to A6. That's all highlighted. And then I'm going to press my Control key on the keyboard. If you are on a Mac, it is the Command key. Sorry, I'm tripping over my words here. Alright, then I can highlight while holding that key down on my keyboard the other section. Okay, so now I just have column A and column C highlighted. Okay, once again, all I have to do is highlight column A2 to A6. Then I can press Control or Command if I'm on a Mac, and I'm going to highlight from C2 to C6. Okay, perfect. Now that you have those two things highlighted, you can go up to Insert, Chart, and then your fantastic chart will be right there. Okay, but I don't want a column chart. I want a pie chart so I can kind of compare this stuff. So you go over here to the right, okay, click on column chart, and then click that one that says pie chart. And then there it is, fantastic. You can change the different colors if you want. You know, maybe I want that one red, maybe I want this one purple, okay, or pink, whatever that is. Okay, however you want, but you have it all pretty much labeled here, and you're all set to go. One last thing to do, I need to copy this chart, click there. Okay, there's 3 little dots in the upper right right-hand corner. Go ahead and click that, copy it. Go back to your doc. I'm going to get rid of that point scored one because I don't need it. And then I'm just going to paste that in here. Alright? And then you have your nice pie chart on your docs. Alright, thank you. Hopefully this makes sense.